Class, welcome to week 3. Since we're beginning a new unit, I thought I'd make a quick video. So beginning this week, week 3, we will begin working on our definition, extended definition or description assignment. And so I just want to point out a couple of quick things to you. The first is, here are the guidelines for our topic proposal, which is due Wednesday the 30th. And here are guidelines for the actual extended definition or description. Our textbook does not include a chapter on these two writing assignments, so I have scanned a chapter from another textbook, and it's listed here under additional readings. It's also listed in your week 3 folder. Also, we have here our style guide. This is where you can find it in our syllabus. I believe it's identified as TCG. All right. Let's see. I'm just going to go to our syllabus real quickly. Yes, TCSG. This refers to the style guide. All right. You should be able now to see week 3. And we have our overview posted, our discussion forums, a brief PowerPoint, and then the chapter. For our discussion forums this week, the first one is about the definition, description, and the second one will be from chapter 5. There's a case called Debating a Company Drug Testing Program that you're going to respond to. So what you need is there in order to do that. One thing I do want to point out is we have reading quiz 2 this week, and I'll send you a quick email as well. But that quiz covers Anderson, our textbook, chapters 3 and 4, which you read last week. The scan chapter that I just showed you concerning definitions and descriptions, and style guide, pages 1 through 16 that you read last week. And I'm going to show you one other thing, and then I will get out of here. So beginning this week, for this assignment, you have a topic proposal due. We didn't do one for our first assignment, but you'll submit a topic proposal and then a working draft, peer review, and then final draft. And your topic proposal is due on Wednesday. And then Thursday morning, I'll read those and just kind of make sure before you actually start working on your draft that that you're right on track with your assignment. Okay, so here is the topic proposal assignment sheet that's on the home page. For your topic proposal, you write a 1-page full block letter to the person who will evaluate your extended definition or description. So keep in mind, for this class, we want to really kind of think real world, and so we will assume that person is not me. So for example, this person might be a manager, a supervisor, or department chair. And so I'll provide an example. If you work for our library, you might write an extended definition of the term text chair. In this case, write your topic proposal to Ms. McGee, the Director of Library and Media Services. As you're thinking about your description or definition, think beyond the content and really think about the design. Consider your audience, your purpose, your argument, so will your final document be a brochure? Will it be a 1-page leaflet? so on and so forth. Will it be a poster? So these are all things you want to consider as you are creating it. That's topic proposal. And I'll just show you this real quickly. Okay, and then here is the assignment sheet for the description, extended definition. And I won't read through this, but I definitely recommend that you go in and look at it early in the week. And I think that wraps it up. Don't forget to go ahead and read the chapter that talks about definitions and descriptions. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great week.